All right, guys, 2016 Chevy Silverado High Country. Beautiful truck. He's one of our fans on YouTube. So he lives in Laverne. He came down to see his, I don't know, family. And then he told me, I'm going to do my exhaust. I'm like, come on, we'll hook you up. So it's got factory converters there and there, third converter there, flex pipe there. Then what we did is a FLOWMONSTER right there. Something a little different. And we left the factory resonator there. He didn't want it too loud. And installed a 5-inch rolled chrome tip or stainless steel tip right there, just to complete the look, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and do everything you guys do for us. We really appreciate it. And there's the muffler right there. And there's the old tip that was there. We took that off too. All right. Well, it's all rusted up. The water's perfect. We can take the resonator out. Because it's a nice truck. Yeah. Go ahead. That sounds nice. Here's the sound decibels. Again. Right at 97. Again. That's smooth. Go ahead and back it out. I like that tip. High country, baby. Just a nice deep tone. I like it. If you guys want it 30-40% louder, you take the resonator off. Let you guys hear on the inside. Silverado High Country. The fancy truck. I like it. And we made it more fancy with that nice chrome stainless steel tip.